Here's how you can get a different keyboard on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, definitely become part of the Foxtecc community for more tips for your iPhone. So there are different types of different keyboards. For example, you can add a different language to the keyboard. You would find it in the settings, general, and the keyboard menu. And when you tap on it and at the top, you can tap on add a new one. But essentially, as I said, you can only add like a different language. So for example, if you add a French one, the letters are going to be in a different layout and perhaps some new characters are going to be part of the keyboard, but it's not a fundamentally different experience because it's still from Apple, only a different language. If you would love to add like a completely different language, I mean, not even language, but like the whole keyboard, you can get a different app from the App Store, which might replace your built-in keyboard. Two main options, the Gboard from Google and a SwiftKey from Microsoft. Both apps are free to download on the App Store. And when you open it up for the first time, you're going to have to go through the setup process a little bit, right? Of course. But then once you go through all of that, you'll be able to switch between the keyboards whenever you hold it down on the globe icon. So right now I can switch between the emojis and different languages, but when you install like a third-party keyboard, you'll be able to switch to that one in here too. So that is a nice way to add like a different keyboard with different settings and the different way it generally works. So yeah, there are plenty of people who are not happy with the built-in one from Apple, so they go and explore other options. But that would be all from me. I hope that I can help you and assist you with this. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in future videos too.